Hello guys, welcome to Lightwork 60-second sermon. So like I said last week, we'll be talking about Calvinism, and we'll take the next 5 weeks to talk about the 5 points of Calvinism. So today is the first week. I'll be talking about total depravity, and what that basically means is that man is dead. The Bible says that you and I are dead in trespasses and sins, and that's Ephesians chapter 2 verse 1 to 6. And unless we are born again, we are morally corrupt. And the thing is, we don't even have to do any negative thing to end that tag. No, it is by default. Romans chapter 5 verse 19 says that by the disobedience of one man, many were made sinners. So a sinner is something you are made. It's not a tag you gain because of what you did that's wrong. David speaking in Psalm chapter 51 verse 5 says, "In iniquity did my mother conceive me." And that's basically true for everybody born of a woman in this world. As long as you are born of a woman, you are conceived in sin and you are brought forth in iniquity. You didn't have to do anything. There's nothing you have to do to earn that tag. You are totally depraved. And that's basically what total depravity means, that you need an external force to help you get out of that state. So next week we'll talk about unconditional election. God bless you, and we love you from Lightwork.